Alright, so before we raise it up, we're gonna have to pop the hood. Let's go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna disconnect the O2 sensors. So I want to disconnect these clips right here. Alright, we got the cables disconnected. So these are all the tools I'll be using today. Some flashlights just in case I need better lighting. Got a 10mm, a 14mm, and a deep 12mm socket with a swivel adapter, torque wrench, 6-inch extension, and electric one if I need it. And we got the skid plate out finally. Woo! Only took ages. Damn. Next, now that we got the skid plate out, now we have to unbolt the actual headers. Listen here, Brody. The daylight may have changed because it took me so long. Well, mostly waiting for the WD-40 to work on the seized bolts. But, yeah. Alright, a little bit of tugging and pulling later, we finally managed to get the stock headers out. Whew. Nice. Alright, so the passenger side done. We did use the new bolts that came with the Tomei headers for this. So we have these two on, and then we just did this side as well, these three. So on to the other side, and we're done. Now we're gonna fasten these only a little bit. Not too tight because we still gotta do the other side. What the fuck? Alright, we got the driver's side bolts on. This one in particular right here is a little fucker. Needs a little swivel adapter, but that one took a while. Alright, so we're just gonna start her up, and if everything's good, then we'll just put the skid plate on and we're done and tune it. I was kidding, we are not done. Before we start her up, we're gonna have to plug in the O2 wires. There you go. Crazy. That is so much louder. Holy. Okay, quiet's down a bit at idle. But holy, that was so loud for the first start. Oh, holy shit. What the fuck?